I want to take the time to show you how I removed the side panels on the left-hand side of the bike, all of the nuts, bolts, and pins that are required to remove on your Honda Transalp. As a reminder, this has the Honda grommets, and you're just going to want to gently remove it from there, and then this panel slides back, and that's how it releases. Simple as that. All right, so now this has got the 3 grommets too.
Transalp.